This component here is your expansion tank. This component here is your pressure cap. It has information on the pressure cap regarding the operating pressure. This down here is one of your air conditioning lines. This over here is one of your expansion lines. This is your washer fluid cap. This down here is an electrical wiring harness. Now this piece of material here is your radiator support. This is one of the recharge points for your air conditioning system. This is your headlight. You can see mounted on its side, you've got your air-to-air intercooler. Now this is a pipe that goes from your air-to-air intercooler to the outlet of the compressor housing. This is your heat shield. Behind there you've got your turbocharger. This is one of your emissions control sensors. Now this is the compressor housing, and on the compressor housing you've got information about the turbo. This is your banjo bolt. This pipe or flexible pipe leads from the inlet of the turbo to your air filter. To the left of the air filter you have your mass sensor. Underneath this plastic component you have your 12-volt battery. This is one of your fuse and relay boxes. You've got quite a few things going on here. You've got pipes, you've got your radiator, and you've also got your air intake pipe. This is your bowding cable that connects to your bonnet latch to the grab handle that you operate to open the bonnet. To remove the engine cover, all you have to do is pull up where I'm pulling up. And there you go. That is your oil cap. This is your positive crankcase ventilation hose. This is your master cylinder. Also back here you've got your reservoir and brake booster. This is the other recharge point for your air conditioning system, and you can see where the two pipes go through the cabin for your evaporator. You can see quite a few things here. Now that silver pipe is your EGR pipe. You can also see your two pipes leading into the cabin to feed your heater matrix. And you can see an electrical connector and harness. But you can see just down there you've got your steering rack and your exhaust. And quite a few other components back here as well. This is your diesel fuel filter. You can see a couple of pipes leading from it. You can also see one of your injectors and other different components here. This is one of your selector cable mounting points. You can also see a couple of other pipes. Just down there you've got your serpentine belt, and you'd have your AC compressor, and also you would have your alternator down there as well. You've got your engine mount. On the timing belt cover, you've got information about the engine. This pipe leads from your intercooler to your throttle body. The DV5FC is an engine that was co-developed by Ford and PSA. The engine features a single overhead camshaft layout with 2 valves per cylinder. The engine also features hydraulic tappets for valve adjustment. The cylinder head is cast aluminum, and inside the head you've got locations where the injectors go through to the combustion chamber and glow plugs. The camshaft is driven by a timing belt. Inside the block you have your combustion chambers, your 4 pistons with connecting rods, 5 main bearings, your centrifugal mechanical water pump, and your crankshaft nose-driven oil pump. At the bottom of the engine, you have your oil strainer and your sump. Other facts about the engine are you have a mechanical thermostat, you have a DPF with cooled EGR, and an oxidation catalyst. The engine also features a variable geometry turbo, 8-hole fuel injectors, and the fuel rail is located on the bulkhead side of the engine. The gearbox is the B6 G5D. It features 6 forward gears, all 6 gears are synchromesh. It uses a single plate clutch that is solid. The operating mechanism is hydraulic. And the engine also features a dual mass flywheel. To put the engine cover back on, you need to line up the engine cover with the fasteners, and then you push down in these locations. Thank you very much for watching this video, and goodbye.